Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of our connectors with our strip light. So firstly, we're just going to start by opening it up. You'll see there's two connection points, positive and a negative. You'll see that your red will be your positive and your black being your negative, and your strip light. What I'm going to do is, on the strip light you'll find there's a bit of a gold coating. So what I'm going to do is, and what I recommend is just to shave, just to expose the actual contact on both the negative and the positive, and simply slide it in. Once you close the cap, you'll find that it makes quite a firm grip, and that is how you connect one of our connectors.